My brothers and my sisters, I want to do this. I want a beautiful sister, Laminato Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminato Nakabon copy, you, my brother, they look me, you, my sister, they look me when I feel free to share this video. My brothers and my sisters, we all know say coronavirus. It don't make them man, they now, they all they behave. The one the way we don't use the way they off 5 o'clock, they not go reach now stay 10 o'clock. Now later 6 o'clock, ginger and no salam alaikum. The one the way the way EBC, when they off 3 o'clock, they not reach now stay 7 o'clock, now 4 o'clock, they no salam alaikum. They don't know house. But and then my sisters, we the married woman, we the gladdy. Because the man then na us. When they off now, we're not going for begin for sit down for begin they won't give for them. Before almost o'clock, then do assalamu alaikum na us. Then no they na us, they don't sit down, won't go skin the body. Bingo. Good deal. Beautiful. We the married woman, we all happy. But I tell you one thing again. My fellow married women. The man then they complain. Ebo. The man then they complain. Hema tell us something. When and then are also with we gladly. Now complete package. The man they not begin complain see. We know they grieve for them for getting sex. When we give them sex Monday, Tuesday when they want sex, we they complain we not agree. Wednesday when they want sex, we they complain we not agree. Thursday when they want sex, we they complain we not agree. My sisters, my fellow married women, make a short and sweet for we all. We where they do that. We where they do that. We get for stop. Because we will not punish them and so today. On a very serious note, we not punish them today. Coronavirus don't make them now they sit on here we. Ginger lonti my bench. Look me and look you. Hey. We sit down. We they rub shoulder to shoulder, neck to neck. We not punish them today. When they ask me for sex Sunday, we forgive them. They ask me for sex Monday, we forgive them. They ask me for sex Tuesday, we forgive them. I'm not saying some of you are going to come up who can't talk, say, oh, I'm not so, here I go tired, but the man near you. The man is sitting near you. When they rub, still rub shoulder, neck to neck, head to head, bone to bone. Yes. So the way this coronavirus not been there. If you get sex Monday, Tuesday they ask you, you not agree. Then go outside and they go. Then go to the side chicks thing. The side chicks then they are ever ready. Yes, then they're always ready. They are helpers. Side chicks are not bad people at all. They are helpers. Yes, they come for can't help. That work where you're not able for do, where you not agree for do. The side chicks they would want for you. They are great helpers. Wonderful people. Wonderful helpers. Yes. And I tell you one thing right now, the side chicks then they suffer, then they starve. When I say starve, not of food, oh, sex starve. Then they starve. Because what you do, they never see them money as again. Them money as they off now, they never go and snap, go and keep compete. When they can they lie say, I go watch football, I go watch soccer, here I go to Sorry no well, here I go for Mohamed been say, hey, the answer, here I go for Kodulai say shoulder the hearts, no. Now we see them off. They don't want kind of us. Coronavirus don't make now they see them and yasu. Then they see don't us, they not they let for kind of us again. Now not the all who face now we and they begin to wonder you. Then near we. So on that note, my fellow married women, when the man yasu they near we, the work we get for do, would they cook their favorite dish, make fine food for them, all kind yoti, all kind creature for put on them places thing, and make them sweet, nice. Put on a table, serve them good food. When they don't eat, we get for make sure say them belly full. When they not belly full, the next thing we for do, we get for empty them testicles. By that I mean, we get for empty them balls. By that I mean, we get for give them sex. Yes. We know we can punish them today. Then are us. Then when they can't have sex, we not agree give them sex. Man, I tell us something. Can't you go kill them boy? Kajuro kill them. Because if we don't use forgive them twice a week, the side chicks them, then we'll give them maybe 3 times a week or 4 times a week. You know? So now, they're not going to get a chance to go to the side chicks here. Then testicles, then they full. Then balls, then they full. Then we give them good food. When you give a man good food when he don't eat, he don't belly full. You your work for do now as a wife. Now for empty in testicles, empty in balls. But Lord not punish them and so to say. We want kill them. We want make Kaju kill them. Because guess what? When that man in balls, in testicles don't full, it explode. And when it explode, it die. We want make Kaju kill them boy so. You my sister when they look at me, you my fellow married woman. You want make Kaju kill this man? Well, if you know how many Kaju kill this man, guess what? Feed and good food and empty in testicles, in balls, empty in balls. Get good sex. I get good food. That's why for get good sex. Yes, and I tell you one thing. The side chicks, them, not so bad people them at all. They can't help. That work what you for do, what you they refuse for do, you as a married woman, they make side chicks then they around. They make Papa God creates the word side chicks and it make the mortal man then side chicks. They are not bad people at all. Yes, they are great helpers. That work what we the married woman they will for do. What will not they able do? What will they refuse for do? Then they help we. Yes. So now when they're not able for help we because of this coronavirus, I the beg in the name of God, my fellow married women. Lord will not make Kaju kill them man then, yeah. Lord will not make Kaju kill them man then, yeah. Because today, if we don't get them sex twice a week, the side chicks in the streets, then go help we do the balance. Then go give now the other 4. That's and then they get sex now 6 days a week. The one day, then we'll take them out the rest. Yes, but now then they with we all they laugh. My man, they don't know. I say, come on, they don't know. You know, see, we know they go know you. And this can be not used for the license. They go to a brother, they go to a sister. Now all they know, neck. Would they laugh? Would they glad the bingo beautiful? But again, would they kill the man and slowly with the married woman? Because what you do? Would they refuse the sex? That man don't deal with you inside us. He don't run, come and walk. He come, he don't know us. You don't feed them good food. My dear sister, you ain't look at me now. You are the talk to. Full that man in stomach and empty in testicles, empty in balls. Get good food and get good sex. Yes, we not can punish them to them. Then they off the one come on house now drop the whole kind of house. Can't sit down and then Then they look winner, then they swell up it, they want sex. They want release. We not agree. We able to do it for so able to do or not for so we sick we well king. But we not that one. My fellow married women, that is not right. That is pure wickedness. That's not more than how they commit so. Because it means one for kill the money. Yes. When I not say Kaju can kill, Kaju can kill. So I beg in the name of God, my fellow married women. Them and they, yeah. Now, Corona don't come. Then they are us with we round the clock. As they go work, they don't want them come on work. They want kind of us. When we give them good food, Lord, we back them up with good sex. Now total package. Now combo. If come on work, you want kind of us, you get good food, you get for empty in testicles, empty in balls. You get for get good sex. Oh yeah. Because when we not agree, the side chicks they name that one. Then they help we. Yes. So do ya at the beguna, my fellow married women. Lord not say because the man don't ask me for sex Sunday again. Monday ask again. I say I am here, I don't give you yesterday. Tuesday I say I am here, I don't give you them for yesterday. No. We need to forgive them good food and empty them testicles, my fellow married women. If not, we go kill them and ya. Kaju go kill them. They go die. They go die. They go die. Not tata for now. I love you guys. When I feel free to share this video. When I say, oh, the side chicks there. Oh, the side chicks there. When I left them. The side chicks are good people. The side chicks are helpers. That thing where some of you not able to do, then they do one. That thing where some of you were able to do, but they refuse them and yeah, then they do one. Then are lifesavers. Side chicks are lifesavers. When I feel free to share this video, I love you guys. Mwah. This is one a beautiful sister. Lamina to San Commendate, wink wink.